simple. Yeah, and that's all for what I did. So basically, I think there's nothing else already. Yeah. And just everything, because Heroku, we connected using your startup GitHub. So everything, all our source code is on the GitHub so they can see. Yeah. That's all.
Okay, good. Then Xavier.
Yeah. So I share my screen.
Yes.
You can see.
Yep.
I start with the slides. So this one is our final presentation. Yeah. So me and Zhong we did our project together, and then so the table of content, we use a lot of different applications. We have Heroku, Google Analytics, Dialogflow, GitHub, and Communicate. So the purpose is to create a new website, e-commerce website, building a chatbot, and then linking the website to the Google Analytics to see like how many like people are visiting our website, and then we can analyze our Google Analytics by putting the Google Analytics data into a new website, and can generate charts from there. Yeah. So our key features for this is like our intelligent chatbot is able to process the training phrase and then give a specific response based on the training phrase that is passed to them. And then the chatbot is able to pass the conversation to a human agent if they cannot understand the user's inquiry. And then also getting real-time data from Google Analytics about the website traffic and a summary report. Yeah. So that's all for the slides.
Yeah, show the demo.
So I start with the e-commerce website first. Okay, so like I'll start with the chatbot. Ours, mine and Zhong is almost similar. So yeah, the email and name right, is actually not compulsory. So like the user can enter if they want. If they enter, right, they will get the transcript like sent to their email. If they don't enter, it's okay. You can just start the conversation.
Can you copy this link, the e-commerce thing, and WhatsApp me?
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Right. So
yeah, and all the like Zhong just want to demonstrate all the chatbot features. One more thing I want to add on is that the human agent, you can like get the transcript from like whatever if they if the chatbot couldn't understand the user's like question, right? They pass to the human agent. And then after that, the human agent is able to get the transcript in their Gmail address. And the Gmail is like the Gmail from the startup, right? So you can get the transcript. And then you can get like what the user asks, and then you can analyze them. Then if you want to pass to the chatbot, right, you can go back to the dialog flow. Then you add a new intent, and then you create one new intent, and then pass the response. So the next time the user asks, they can understand the user already.
okay. So I type something. So will I be able to see all the chat happening on the chatbot?
You can see it from here. Yeah.
So like today, what did the chatbot reply? So am I able to go through?
Yes, you can have the transcript. Like
I saw it, the fish.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh, fish. Okay, what was that? So can you show like now I reply fish, it says what? Sorry, what was that?
Yeah, and then
this is for me. Or you see all, but just now you type, cannot see yours.
I never type anything. Yeah.
Type something.
For example, I type and then the other one is over here. So there's two different users over here.
Okay, so I can see the number of users. Huh?
Yeah.
Okay. So this one got any database or like, I mean, limitations? But because after, let's say I one for 1 year
Yeah, this one got trial period. So
or trial period, how long?
Yeah. I don't know, about 2 months, I think.
2 months.
Yeah.
2 months. So what's
2 months, you can use all the features for free.
so what's the impact? Which means I have to create another startup 168 account.
Yeah, or you can ask the students to use their own email, then they can use their own email and then to sign up for this.
No, because I'm thinking of program. Okay. So so you mean that this thing after 2 months, all the chat, all this thing will be gone up, and I cannot reuse my startup 168.
Because all the chatbot engine is from Dialogflow. The communicate is just to pass the human agent. So the Dialogflow you can use like a lot of like forever for free lah. So the Dialogflow you can pass on to the next batch without like creating a new instance. There's still instance over here. Yeah, they can continue from here.
Okay, like this is the pool of questions, right?
Yeah.
So this is the chatbot that you all created. So how long can I use this?
Like
2
you
months?
can, no, this one
Right.
is continue one. No need no trial period.
Just now you say 2 months is what?
2 months is for the communicate for this
Oh.
this platform. Yeah.
Oh, okay. So
The main purpose of this platform is to like pass to human agents. So
okay. So the dialogue flow is more for the AI
yeah, it's for the flow is the AI, is the engine behind the
engine
chatbot. Yeah.
and all the questions are.
Yeah.
Then the communicate is just to go live lah.
Yeah.
So the diagram flow got no such information here, like the who talk to what. So I still need this communicate.
Yeah. Dialogflow don't have.
So
Because
the dialogue,
Dialogflow only got the chatbot, only don't have the human agent.
so only the okay. Oh, okay. So this is logging all my chat lah.
Yeah.
The dialogue flow doesn't log all my chat,
No, don't have.
is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so how do you link this dialogue flow to the chat?
You go to integration and then you can link to Dialogflow. I already have one,
Documentation.
yeah, I already have one bot link for that link to Dialogflow.
Okay. What is
Yeah.
this 14 days trial left?
Sorry.
There's a trial 14 days left on
Oh,
top.
this one is the trial.
Trial. So let's say this bot is currently also created using startup 168.
Yeah.
So after 14 days, what will happen? My chat will still work.
Your chat will work, but it's from
Still work, right?
Dialogflow.
Okay.
It's not from the communicate, so you won't see like all this conversation. Yeah.
So the dialogue flow doesn't keep all the conversations. These conversations, okay. Then if I cannot reuse, right, my startup.
I think you need a new email for it.
New email.
Yeah, and then you create again.
Okay. So only this have this trial. The rest of the analytic or don't have, right? The Heroku got trial.
Don't have. Only
Don't have.
this.
Then the GIF hub
also don't have. Only this one.
Okay. Okay, good. Just go on.
Another feature for this is you can see like the past data from the bot, like how many people talk to the bot over the past few days, and then the most intent used by the user. Yeah.
This one got any free one forever one? Don't have. Don't know.
I think you need to pay if not.
Okay.
Yeah.
So this one can also do text mining. Okay.
Yeah,
the communicate. So they track based on what? Like Can I see how many people say thank you?
Yeah, this one like the number of thank you is 2. Like, reply.
But this one they just match automatically, right? Is it commonly used words? Is it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
So if you want like the another thing is like this one got the transcript sent to us lah, so you can read the transcript, and then if you see that there's a lot of people asking the same question, you can pass it to the chatbot. So the next time the user can just ask directly to the chatbot instead of passing to you.
So the email is generated by K Communicate, not the diagram flow, right?
Yeah, it's from the communicate also.
Okay.
So like I move on to the GA rule time. So this one is the like what Zhongwei just showed just now. So yeah, and then
What is this GA like? Oh,
yeah, it's the like what
Oh.
Zhongwei showed just now.
okay. So this is the part of the program that you write.
Yeah.
That picked up from the Google Analytics and
Yeah, pick up from Google Analytics.
and what does it do? Map to the Excel.
This one you can like track real-time data from Google Analytics, like see how many people on your website.
Okay. So one of them is me.
So like if you move to the card page, right,
Mhm.
then you must wait like a few seconds. I need you wait a few seconds more, and then it will show like what page you are at.
Okay. So which means that if I add card, it will show something lah.
You will not like show something, it will just show that you're on the card page, and then
Okay.
yeah.
Then
Then for
let's-
this report
so the
is like
analytic will have to be updated first before your this one get updated, right?
yeah.
So can you check the Google Analytics?
Yeah.
Where is it supposed to update?
Yeah.
Where you extract? Oh, here, 3.
Yeah.
3 page view, and what else you grab? You grab this side only.
I grab all these data, and the goal completion. The goal completion is like you can see like how many people add items to your cart, and then how many people actually complete the purchase.
Okay, that's good.
So like if can see like what stopped them to like complete the purchase, like if there's 8 people adding to your cart but no people completing the purchase, then you can check like what's wrong with it. And then you can
Okay, so these are add items to cart. How do you get the Google Analytics to monitor?
I add goal conversion.
Go conversion.
Yeah.
Did you document this part?
This one haven't yet.
Please go document.
Yeah.
Your website can complete a transactions.
It's not like got payment gateway, but you can add to the card and then you can pay lah.
Okay, I like the one that you track the chart, the card one. So just now Google Analytics got update.
Update as in
Okay, so where's the card? Just now you say Google Analytics. You show me the Google Analytics card.
the goal one. Actually, you need like wait 1 day because it's 1 day lagging behind. You The next day, then it will
This
show
one,
the
the
date.
next day, then we show. Okay. Then which one is the this page view? All this page view you show. Is it the latest?
Yeah, the page view is also 1 day one. The latest one is just the real-time data.
Real time. Okay.
Yeah.
Where's the real time? This one.
Yeah.
2 active user. Okay. Okay. Then is this updated to your that GA? Haven't updated.
I think I need to push it.
It's not automatic.
But sometimes it lagging behind.
So your programming languages, you use what?
For this, I use PHP, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript.
And you mentioned you use what tools to use?
Sorry, I use the Visual Studio, the coding one, the coding platform.
Can you give the link to inside, and also later you WhatsApp me the link. That one is free.
Yeah, that one is free. And then all these right is from like what Zhongwei showed us, like from the Excel sheet.
So you
Yeah.
write everything in PHP.
PHP, PHP got HTML, got CSS, and got JavaScript.
Okay. So all that no need compile, right? You just deploy up to GitHub.
Yeah.
Okay.
So the Google Analytics report, this one is also connected to the Google Analytics one.
Mm-hmm.
And then if you can schedule the reports, like when you want to run it. Like for mine, I schedule for every, this one need to go to
Yeah. Xavier, you still there?
Yeah, I sharing the GA the report how to like do the GA report. Can you see the Excel?
Yeah.
Okay, so like you can schedule like when the report you want to run, like when the report want. So mine is every day midnight to 1 a.m. So you run automatically, then you don't need to manually.
So you would extract from the analytic Google.
Yeah, and then it will refresh the data.
How fast can you? What's the shortest time? Few seconds.
It's like timing one. It's not like how many seconds.
If I don't schedule the report, I want it to run like real time.
Real time, I think can only like almost every hour.
Okay. But if I want to run it now, can how to execute run now?
Right now, you just run report, like
Oh, okay. Yeah, okay.
you just run the report.
Okay,
then-
so yeah.
If you want to create like new field, right, you just go over here and then you see like what kind of field you want to create. We got the link like to see what kind of field you want to create. Like for example, you want to see users, you just search for users. And then you have the matrix for Google Analytics for the users. and then you just copy the matrix, and then you paste it over here, and then you can specify the start date and end date, and then you run a report. They will give you the data. Like for example, I have the users. They'll give you the data, and then you create chart from the data, and then you publish it. To iframe code, and then you paste it to your HTML coding, and then it's like
How come your Excel spreadsheet got so many tabs?
I create my own.
You create your own one,
Yeah.
okay. So every tab, how you link to Google and everything, or you just manually do one?
Yeah, this one like all different one, and then I like see which one is more like useful, and then
But these are not dynamic, right? It's only the first tab that is linked to Google and everything, is it?
what do you mean
Like-
first step?
Like this week, last week, top browser, go those below the tab. When you generate a report, is it updated?
Yeah, it's updated. So like each time you run, right, you update all the data back, and then the chat will also automatically give you a new chat.
Okay. Does it take long to do one tab?
No, not really. It's quite fast.
Can you show me how you do one tab? Let's say you create a new tab and then how you
Let's say you want to like search for like the session duration,
okay.
and you go over here, you just search for session duration, and then you see the matrix over here.
I cannot see your.
Oh.
Did you share screen or?
How to share two screen at once?
Oh, you got two screen. Okay, never mind. You just document it.
Okay.
You document how to create another new tab or new capture.
So you can see already.
Oh.
I'm at the session duration search bar page.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then you can see the matrix over here. Then you can just copy the matrix, and then you go over to over here, and then you can search for session duration, and then you paste it under the matrix. And then for the start date and end date, I want the past 30 days, so I just copy the same thing. And for the view ID, it's all the same throughout, so you can just copy and paste.
Okay.
And
Okay,
the dimensions.
In your report, can you all paste in all the what YouTube tutorial that you all learned some of this from?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right. And anything else?
No. I think that's all. Yeah.
Can you show me the code for this one, the PHP one, the GA? This one, web development tools, is what? It's part of your web page.
This one is like to see like what kind of matrix you have in Google Analytics. So you can just search for it. No need to see. Yeah.
This GA-development is not your web page, right? This is a Google Assistant.
Yeah.
So this one, you all paste it also in the Word document. Basically, you come here to learn how to use also, or the admin. Okay.
Yeah. Then the code is from here, the PHP code.
So how many PHP codes you have?
I have 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
This one,
then your
this one,
JSON file, how come got so many? What are that? This one is for database. Flat
This one is the my key, my Google Analytics key to link to the other website. Yeah,
Okay.
and then
So you got how many key? Only one.
this one, the Zhongwei one is to try,
Oh.
so no need to like I try something, but yeah. So I use only this one.
So this page is yours and Zhongwei one.
No, this one is only my one. The Zhongwei one, I tried something, but it couldn't work. So yeah, so I didn't use.
If it's not used, then can you delete it? Otherwise, confused. Can delete Zhongwei, right?
Yeah, I upload on GitHub one. I didn't upload the Zhongwei.
Oh, those not used one, delete them. Otherwise, we're very confusing.
Yeah.
Okay. Which is the one that linked the key from? I mean, you embed the code from Analytics Google, the merchant ID or something. Is it? Oh.
Under the function PHP, so we can have the JSON file link inside.
Where's the place from Google Analytics that you need to cut and paste?
It's under admin, and then go to view settings, and then you can see the view ID over here, and then you paste it to your code over here.
Okay. So where's the sample code?
Sample code.
It's just the define, the tree define.
Yeah, this one is like variable lah, so you can change to your own view, own JSON file, own domain website. Yeah.
Okay. So your first page is to index.php or function.
First page is index.
Index. So
the
index.
The function is just the function, defining the function. The index is to show everything.
So from index page, how you point to the function?
You have over here the script tag under the HTML.
Where?
Here, script tag, and then you can say get what data. You can say get pages, users, device, sources, country, and the browser.
Then the function.php?
The function PHP is just to define the function. That's just to define like the function, and then the index is to get the function.
So you no need to call the function.php.
I have on top include functions PHP.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is a page. Then function one.
This one I can delete it because I just
right.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. I remember Analytics Google got one page, one code that need to copy. It's just the ID only.
ID and the tracking code. Tracking info and tracking code.
That one is under admin. Admin tracking code. Where do you put? So you need just now that tracking ID, and what are the two things that you just need? This tracking ID and
tracking ID
and this
view ID.
View ID.
And then the view access management also. Then you add your own email inside. Like because when you create the key, right, they'll give you one private email. So you just paste inside.
So where's the tracking ID?
Under the tracking info.
No, okay, but the code leh?
The code you paste, I already paste inside my
Also just this part where you paste?
This one is the e-commerce
Yeah.
website.
Oh, so oh,
The-
this is
This one is to track the e-commerce website one.
oh, so you paste this at the e-commerce website.
Yeah.
Where?
Um, it's a different folder. Okay. This one.
So you also paste it on the index page, right at the top. Okay.
Yeah.
So just now that GA, you no need to paste the tracking ID, right?
No need. The G only the view ID.
Only the view ID.
Yeah.
Then the e-commerce you put in, you don't need to put a view ID.
The e-commerce is to track the e-commerce, and then view is like to view like the tracking the
Oh,
data
okay.
from the
Okay, can. Right. So what's that Google App Manager?
Google App Manager.
Oh,
This one.
yeah.
This one, I also trying to try something but it couldn't work also. So yeah, it's okay to.
Okay. So if it's not working, can you just clean up and delete it and check whether it will still work? Okay. Anything else, Javier?
Nothing.
Huh?
That's all.
That's all, is it?
Yeah.
Mr. Jason, are you still there?
Yes, I'm here.
Any
it's good.
question?
I can see there's improvement over the interim presentation.
Wow, yeah, of course they did a lot really. I'm amazed by this group. Not too bad. Very good. Okay, so anything? If not, thank you very much. I'll follow up with you guys again from WhatsApp.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so update all the Google Drive, put all your documents there. Okay, thank you.
Okay, thank you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
So then so when I get the file from you, is it this
This Friday or yesterday?
this Friday? Yeah, I forget. Then this Friday I take from you.